I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Well, I just played pool. I played 8-ball. I don't play 9-ball tonight. I won. She won the game, then I won the second round. And then we played another round, and bless her heart, that 8-ball was just right on that corner pocket, and she bumped it in on accident. So anyway, I won, and I'm going back inside. No, before I go inside, I always bring my, I shouldn't lean at that wall. God only knows what's against it. People probably pee on that thing. Anyway, what was I going to tell you? Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. People have French fries in their burgers. This place has amazing bar food. I know, because when I played pool in 18, 19, and 20, my goal was to try all the food at every place that we played at. So I know this food is amazing, but that's why I bring my meat stick so that I don't eat fries. So, yeah, hang in there, Terry Bear, hang in there. I'm going to show you something real pretty. The dogs were already out there, and they did not even talk to it or nothing. Look. The dogs were out there and went to potty and everything, and they totally ignored it. Baxter just ran out while I'm showing you. But it was kind of rainy. So I don't know if that's the same. Oh, sorry. I don't know if that's the same one that's been around or not, but pretty deer. I think it's funny, Baxter doesn't see it. But at midnight last night, Sammy was just going to town out here about barking and barking and barking. Hey, pretty. You sure are pretty. You sure are pretty. You sure are pretty. We have them in our neighborhood. Other people do. You're all right. Shh. Oh, look at her run. Okay, that's enough. Shh. Shh. I just had to. Yep, okay. Come on, let's go. Come on. So, yeah. Look how, did you see how big it is? It flies so fast. I know that's probably mean to let my dogs run after it. I didn't know they would, but. Oh boy. It looks like Callie. I think Callie reminds me of a deer. It was so pretty, wasn't it? Okay, bye. Good morning. I didn't dry my hair all the way. It's Friday. Y'all know. Anyway, Friday is not usually my shower day or hair wash day. Shower day. I can't take a whole bunch of showers because of my eczema. Anyway, stop explaining, Terry. It doesn't matter. Where was I going with all that? I don't know. Oh, yeah. But you saw the deer. Wasn't that neat? She's so pretty. I don't know if it's a she or what, but last night about 12-something, Sammy I let him out, and he wouldn't come back in. I'm like, oh, my gosh. So I had to put on a house coat and get on my shoes and go out there with a flashlight just to kind of get his attention to break his lock in on whatever it was he was telling off. He was telling them off big time. Today, Suzanne and I have our luncheon today. We always go to Texas Roadhouse. I always get the same thing. I get the roadkill, and then I get a salad, and I get some kind of veggie to go with it. So I'll have that. And but we're not getting to go till 12 today. I'm gonna die. But I went ahead and I brought a couple meat sticks, and if on my deathbed I could grab one, or whatever. And I brought my gelatin for later, and a Zevia for later. It's definitely a dark day. It's been rainy. It's probably why that deer was out there. But the sun was out, and it's time to get up and go. He needs to get up and go. She needs to go eat now. He needs to get up and go forage. But not now. Now the dogs are inside, so she can go back and frolic in my backyard. There's a pretty cardinal over there. Hey, pretty bird. Anyway, all right. I love you, wild things, and I'll show you what we eat for lunch. Bye. Follow-up note. I did play 9-ball. I was the last one to play, and I won. Bless him. It was a new player. And so, yeah. So I played 9-ball, and so I won 8-ball by default. And then I won 9-ball. Okay, bye. I'm having some gelatin. It is 10:30. So I'm on my way, about to be on my way to Texas Roadhouse, and I'm cracking up. You know, these kind of days, it's like real sunny and beautiful. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you didn't get dizzy there. Where's that little spinny thing? Is that the right spinny thing? Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, these are the kind of days that you're like, oh boy, it'd be sure nice to leave my windows open. But earlier when I took just a little walk to the stop sign, it was like, I don't know how far I'm gonna make it before it starts raining. So it's those kind of days, but it's now Mr. Sunshine's out. He's like, hi, Terry Toodle. I'm making your life brighter. But then, I don't know. I can't tell. I see like some clouds that way. Anyway, I love you, weirdos. And we're on our way to Texas Roadhouse. And like I said, I get roadkill, a salad, and some kind of veggie. Probably broccoli. Told you all where I'm at, Texas Roadhouse. So first up is a salad. And there is my roadkill with the cheese, mushroom, and onions, and broccoli. So that's my lunch today. Oh, and I have had some gelatin and 1 meat stick. Howdy ho, how you doing? I am doing good. So that was my lunch today. Like I had said, I had 1 meat stick. I have another one in my bag. And then I ate my package of Jell-O, frozen Jell-O. Man, that is the bee's knees. I really enjoy that. I'm going to try something different this next time I make it. So what do we have? So tonight I'm going to go home and eat. And tomorrow I have the family reunion for lunch. Mom and I are meeting up, and then we're going to go down. It's down in Scott City. It's my mama's hometown and my daddy's hometown. So we meet down there at a family reunion. I'll record what I can. You know, it's family, and I'm going to eat things, you know. So I'm going to eat some things that I should and some that I shouldn't. But you know what I did today? I'm so proud of myself. This morning, we got an email from somebody saying that they had made some mini strawberry muffins. And there were some cookies in the kitchen, in the break room. Did not have one. I was in there and I was piddling just a few minutes ago, or about 30 minutes ago, to get my gelatin. I was standing there and I was looking at them. I'm like, I could have one and nobody would know. And I'm like, girl, do you really want to feel like poop? No. Well, why would you do that to yourself? It's just going to taste really good for just a minute. You already had a yummy salad, you had broccoli, and you had a delicious roadkill. Why would you want to go on and give yourself the guilt of adding that to it? Because everything you did today was fine. It was all, lower carb. You did good. I'm like, okay, I won't do it then. So I didn't do it. Sometimes I just am proud of myself, So, yeah. All right. I'll see you next thing. It was great. She had time to trim my hair. I needed a trim. So, because, I cut it myself. She would be going to lunch, be like, oh, Terry. She's like, oh. I'm like, shut up and just trim it. We're like sisters. I think I had 3 meat sticks in there. I ain't had supper. I went home. Look at me. I'm looking like, now that's a Vlasic pickle. Do you remember that commercial? Now that's a Vlasic pickle. Looks like a cigar, but he was doing it with a dill pickle. Anyway, I'm going to go home. Get something else to eat. So, bye. I'll show you. Calm your tits. I'll show you. I'm home. I'm having shocker beef bites. Actually, it kind of worked out because Suzanne and I went out to eat today, so I didn't take my lunch. So I didn't need to make a supper tonight. So usually I have my supper and that's a pound of meat, and I cook it, and I eat, I don't know, a third of it for supper and then 2/3 of it for lunch the next day. Well, ooh, I gotta go bathroom, hang on. Okay, so since Suzanne and I went out for lunch today, I'm gonna plug you all in. Hopefully it doesn't mess something up. I did not have to get in there, Miller. Now, I didn't have to take my lunch. So I have this one, which is what other half of what I made last night. And then tomorrow, at the family reunion, I won't have to have a lunch. Otherwise, I'd have to cook tonight and use half for tonight and half for tomorrow. But since tomorrow's a family reunion, I called my mama earlier. I'm like, what you doing? She's like, oh, I'm making that spinach salad that I like. It's kind of an Asian flavor. And I think she crushes up ramen noodles or something like that on the top. I said, okay. And she said, I'm also making brownies. Okay. It's hard to resist brownies. Ziggy, what's my notification?
You have one new notification. On Saturday, there's a chance of rain near you in Cape Girardeau, starting around 5 p.m. and stopping around 6 p.m.
Well, ain't that of how do you do? We're going to have an hour of rain tomorrow. This is yogurt that I made, gelatin that I made. This one is just like that powdered flavoring and some gelatin and water. I'm not starving, so I figure what I've been doing is sometimes I'll just come in the evening time because I want to bite of something. I just take a couple bites out of that because that's how much. I'm going to take one more. And then I just put it back in the refrigerator. So yeah, I'll take a couple bites of that. But I didn't want to make her creamy because like I said, I ain't that hungry with all that crap I've eaten so far. No. With all the food choices I've made. They weren't poor choices. They were all good, healthy options. They were all good, healthy options. I have no regrets. At Angie's shop, somebody brought her some fresh peaches. So I did have a peach at her shop. But you know what I didn't have today? I didn't have a cookie. And I didn't have a muffin. And there was something else that was in that box, but I didn't open it to find out. And we have one of my coworkers has like a snack shack. And you know what she put in there? Peanuts. So you know what I didn't have today? No peanuts. And Texas Roadhouse, no peanuts. So today is a win. Good job, Terri. Good job. You made good choices today. Well, if you want to know, I'll show you what I eat tomorrow. We'll be crossing some lines, but we only have this family reunion once a year. That's going to be my excuse. Shut up and just know tomorrow's going to be rough. Bye. And it could be triggering to some people.